If you are having issues with premature gray hair, or you're having a brown hair and you want to, you want something that will dye your hair without using any form of chemical dye, then this video is for you. So I'll be sharing with you this amazing natural way that you can dye your hair. Well, I had to cut my hair about 2 months ago because I wanted to start my hair growth journey, natural hair growth journey. I don't want to start with a relaxed hair, so I had to cut my hair. And also I was having this issue of gray hair all over my, it was really bad and I didn't really like it, so I just had to take everything off. It was really low, so grow my hair back using natural ingredients. You can check my channel for all the videos and all the amazing natural ingredients that I've been using. It's been really wonderful. If you are new to this channel, I am welcoming you with so much love, and if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Here we share amazing hair growth tips using natural ingredients, also simple hairstyles that you can make for your baby girl. Now let's get into it. So I got this natural henna powder. So it comes in this small bottle. This is the back. This is how it looks like. So it comes in a small bottle, then with the distilled water. So you're going to be adding the water. Well, this thing is quite tricky. Do you know that I had to, this is me pouring the henna powder, but this is the first time I'm using this thing. So please, if you want to try this, if you are trying this out, please, you see that quantity of water, just get ×4 of it in a lukewarm water, not very hot, just lukewarm or a little bit warm though, and add it to it, to mix it. If you use only that thing, it's going to mess it up. You can see there is lumps in it, so I had to add water. I added water like 4 times, before I was able to get the right consistency that I used, and this thing really it was quite stressful because the initial liquid that came with it was very little. So if I had known, or if I'm doing this again, I'm going to add more water before I pour in the henna powder. So this is my hair. You can see the gray hair in it. It's not really, just in some few places, but I don't really like it. It's not looking nice. So this is the back of it. This camera is not even doing justice at all. It's not doing justice. You need to see my hair live. And this is my mom's hair because she has been disturbing me that she wants to dye her hair. So I'm just using this opportunity, like using one stone to kill 2 birds. So this is me applying the henna. Man, my phone really dealt with me today. When I started applying this thing, I recorded it, but unfortunately it did not save because my phone was full. I had to start deleting video, and I had to record the last part, which you are seeing now. Oh, it was so painful. In fact, I almost cried. So you have to massage it into your hair very well. Make sure you massage it into your hair very well. Give it a very good massage. Let everything mix, incorporate in very well, and give your hair a comb or a brush. So you can see this one at the side. You see, I mixed it, but now I was able to fix it. So after you just cover your hair, and you're going to leave it for about 1 hour to 30 minutes. And this is my mom's hair. I've already applied it. I'm just trying to comb it out, So this henna is really henna, It's coming. You see me dancing. I'm so happy. I never knew that you can actually dye your hair without using chemical dyes, like natural. Man, I'm so glad. See my hair now. This is after washing. I left it for about 1 hour before washing. Please don't wash with shampoo. Just wash with ordinary water. So you can see my hair is coming. is rich and dark. So this is my mom's hair, perfectly. Oh man, this my camera is not, maybe because of the filter and all that, is not showing very well. So my mom is very happy, and this is her saying bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.